Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for English 3, quarter 2, week 5, day 2. Our topic for today is phonics, vocabulary, and composing text. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Good morning. I hope you are all doing well today. Today, we will review the previous lesson to make sure that you have understood everything properly. The teacher will guide you in reviewing. Lesson Purpose Intention. In today's lesson, we will use vocabulary in regional themes, explore VCCB word patterns, practice neat writing, and discuss community changes in the poem My Kitten Friends. Lesson Language Practice. Everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. Words under VCCV or vowel consonant vowel word pattern. We have rabbit. The VCCB letters are A, V, V, I. Number 2, magnet. The VCCB letters are A, G, and E. Number 3, tennis. The VCCB letters are E, N, and I. Number 4, traffic. The VCCB letters are A, F, F, I. Number 5, tablet. The VCCB letters are A, V, L, E. Number 6, sunset. The VCCB letters are U, N, S, E. Reading the key idea stem. My kitten friend. With a laugh and a purr, the kitten did play in the warmth of the sun and the light of the day, exploring the stems and the leaves all around, a world full of wonders waiting to be found. Answer: the kitten made a laugh and purr. Number 2, where did the kitten find warmth and light? Correct, in the sun and the light of the day. Number 3, what did the kitten explore in its surroundings? Correct, the stems and the leaves all around. Number 4, what awaited the kitten in the world it encountered? The answer is a world full of wonders. Question 5, what lesson can we learn from the kitten's curiosity? The answer is, we learn that exploring and being curious helps us discover new and wonderful things, developing understanding of the key idea stem. The poem My Kitten Friend tells the story of a small curious kitten exploring the world around it, but the kitten's journey also teaches us about how people and communities live and grow, Let's think about how the kitten's adventure is like our own communities. Place the Kitten starts in the garden. Just like how people live in different places like towns, cities, or farms. Nature and people. The kitten plays with the plants and leaves, just like how we take care of nature in our surroundings. Movement or flow of people, goods, or ideas. The kitten walks and explores, just like how people travel, share ideas, and bring things to different places. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Match the words to their correct meanings. Write the letter of your choice in the space provided for. Here is the correct answer. Making generalization and abstraction. Complete the following statements. Evaluating learning. Read each item carefully. Here is the correct answer. For your homework, have a class discussion about the importance of community changes and their impact on regional teams. Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!